Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Fiesta steering wheel. First, locate the adjustment lever, typically found beneath the steering column. This lever is what allows you to unlock and move the steering wheel. Once you've found it, simply pull the lever down towards the floor. This action releases the locking mechanism, making the steering wheel movable. Now you can begin to adjust it to your preferred position. With the steering wheel unlocked, you can now adjust both its tilt and telescopic reach. To adjust the tilt, simply move the steering wheel up or down to your desired height. For telescopic adjustment, push the wheel away from you or pull it closer. Find a position where your arms have a slight bend and you can comfortably reach all the pedals and dashboard controls. Take your time to get it just right. Once you've found your perfect steering wheel position, it's crucial to lock it securely in place. Push the adjustment lever firmly back up until it clicks. This ensures the steering wheel won't move while you're driving. Give the wheel a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. Then, sit in your normal driving position and test out the new setting. Make sure it feels natural and comfortable for your hands and arms. For ultimate driving comfort and safety, remember to adjust your driver's seat after setting the steering wheel. This ensures proper pedal reach and visibility. Always aim to maintain a slight bend in your arms when holding the wheel. This provides better control and reduces fatigue. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Drive safely and enjoy your perfectly adjusted Ford Fiesta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.